welcome to say Singapore. Hi vlog.
Local time now is at 19 minutes past the hour of 9.
Hi guys. So we just landed here at Singapore. Hi Hali. Hali, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
We're going to bye.
Hi vlog.
What name is girl? What's my name? What's my name? Leta Joby. Leta Oli. Hindi kasama ka sa video. Kanina pa yan.
Hi vlog. Uy, sino si Joseph to? Mama, Tata Awi. Hi, Sisi.
Okay, this is all yours.
Okay guys, so ngayon nasa airport kami, Terminal 1. So, andito yung mga luggage namin. Mag-vlog ka na? Wala lang, remembrance lang. Okay. So, we are waiting for the Grab. Then we will go na.
Dito pwede data.
Okay guys, so we're on the van transfer na.
Show the
Hi!
Hali, say hi.
May automatic kasi.
Hali, say hi. Ano, Hali?
Alright, let's go! Where's your vlog? Where's your mobile? Okay guys, so I suggest
Where's
install kayo ng Klook para mas mura.
Oh, ibigay mo nga ng aircon dyan, Ruth.
So guys, we're on the way to our hotel. Guys, so we're gonna eat pistachio chocolate from Dubai.
Okay, nasa Maynila na tayo.
Uy! Di ba ito yung fix?
Bigyan ko. Wala yun na. Joseph, wala tingin.
Yummy!
Bibigyan niyo naman si Joseph.
Bawal makita naman ng mama mo yan.
Hindi pa to yung ano.
Okay guys, so we are about to check in. So nandito tayo sa Ibis Budget Singapore Hotel. So very affordable dito if you will stay. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so yeah, ito ang kanilang lobby. They have elevator as well.
Pag tumunog kay Joseph.
Okay guys, so we're about to enter in our room. Okay. Ay, so late.
Bala kayo, basta ako sa baba.
Sige, ako na sa taas dahil mga matatanda na kayo.
Hindi natin tayo dito.
Akit naman pala eh. Here's our room.
Here's our room. I don't know.
So, anong view natin? May mga hotels din. It's 8-1.
Our gift, me and Joby.
And Ruth.
Thank you.
And Ruth.
Thank you very much.
Kasi mag-react.
Sana kasha.
Thank you.
Renewal of vows.
Oh,
Kasi sa'yo ma,
I wish.
sa akin hindi kasi.
Kasha.
Wala ka namang ngipin.
Mas mabigat yung una pa. Iniwala mo pa.
Ma.
Dali ka.
So, we're going naman sa room ng 507. So, 507. Ano yan? Jewelry din.
Yeah, it's a ring.
Where is it? Eh, kasi kanina, di ba may narinig ako nakatok?
Seven ba talaga? Ay, ba't nag-kiss na?
Kain na muna tayo.
See you, this is my gift for you.
Sudadan!
Magpo-propose siya sa akin sa Merlion.
Sudadan!
Ate, maganda view nila, oh.
Teka lang.
Ay, wala. So, malayo.
Abot siya sa akin.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na. Dapat si kuya magtatago. Hindi ikaw.
What's the size of these?
Ah, for ano lang to lang.
Isa yung
Say hi to the vlog. Huh?
I like my new vlogs. I have a vlog here.
Dito lang sa yung mga malalaking bag.
For you, the rice? Again.
It's enough for one more. Or one more.
Later we will add again.
It's enough. But later, I want more.
What? I'm chapstick.
Kuha ko na siya ng ano, ng sabaw. Okay, kabado na siya.
Na-picture mo naman.
Who's the winner?
Hali, who's the winner? Hali, this is the plot twist. You choose who will pay for lunch. You choose. Okay, ganun na lang pala yung laro natin. Hindi mamimili ng card.
Yes.
Okay, so say, Tata Joby will pay for the lunch.
Yes. You this the words.
Pierre, okay lang. You will always choose this one. Okay? Okay. O, natin
Peace.
So, for today's video, nakain tayo ng Fix Fresh from Dubai.
Original lang. Sumusot niya 100 na lang. Sino mo naman yung ano?
Let's try it.
Wala, parang parang makeup nito. Pero original.
Copy.
Nakapal ka dyan. Hindi, ibig ang nakapal dyan yung paa.
Kapal, guys.
Oo, mag-vlog na rin siya.
Hey guys, so we're here at Gardens by the Bay.
Sariling sikap na lang ako, be.
Marami pa yan, Pep. Outfit check, guys. Okay, guys, I'll tour you around. So, in case, para alam nyo what you will expect here in the Gardens by the Bay. So, ganito kapag night time. So, mag-8 o'clock. So, yan ang view. Dire-diretso lang siya. Here naman. There. So, merong McDo, meron ding Starbucks. Okay. Let's walk around pa. So beautiful. Hi guys! So we're here at Burgess. So pakita niyo yung mga binili niyo.
Yeah, this one.
Mga budol. Pep! Ano mga nabili mo? And marami pa. This one is my remembrance. Guys, 8 Singaporean dollar. Nasa I think 500 siya. Grabe, ang lala po. Hi guys, it's day 2 and we're going to, where are we going? Universal Studios. See you guys.
Akala ni Ali, Disneyland.
Disneyland, hali. Look, oh, we're all wearing white.
Di magkaka-Disneyland sa Abu Dhabi.
Amelia's gonna see the Shrek babies.
Yes.
I don't know if
The Shrek, Fiona, Elmo Street, Sesame
Ito na yung Sentosa.
Yeah.
ano nang entrance. Okay guys, so we're entering Harry Potter.
Mukhang pagod na
Sila.
kagad.
So guys, nag-grab lang kami ng Mars. Mas mahal kasi naman sa van. So they are here. Say hi to the vlog.
Make me jump.
Picture agad. Okay guys, here's our food. So, hey, what's the name of the restaurant? Nico. Nico.
Ito na mga dessert na.
Okay guys, we're here na the famous Universal Studio na Globe. So, kakatapos na namin mag-picture. And then, we're about to enter there. Hinihintay lang naman yung iba dahil nag-CR. So, wala silang internet. We're now entering.
Share mo na kami nga siya natin.
Change out.
Saan nakalagay yung ano? Kanino to ba?
So, ayan guys, they will just scan the ticket. So, I think we ordered the ticket in Klook. So, we're here na guys. Hey guys, we're riding to the... Anong tawag dito? Asa sila? Joseph! Hi guys! Mom! Hi guys! Go kami kay Mama! It's Sesame Street pala to. Yeah guys, you will wear 3D glass. Wear it. Ay! Guys, so chaan tayo. Isasara nila yan.
Picture muna tayo.
Company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... That's trouble, alright.
Hi guys, it's already our day 3 and galing tayo sa mall and we're about to go back na sa ating hotel para kunin ang ating mga luggage. See you na lang guys sa airport. Alright guys, so joke lang. Now we're off to airport and we can say
Goodbye, Singapore. We're gonna miss you.
see you soon. Bye.
Bye. Uy, the flower is so beautiful.
So Hali, interview you. 1. Hali, what's your highlight or your favorite part here in Singapore?
My favorite part in the Singapore.
Yes. What's your favorite part in Singapore?
The Minions.
The Minions. How about you? What's your favorite part?
Banana Studio.
The Universal Studios. What's your favorite part in Singapore? What? Ano yung favorite mo nangyari? Highlights mo sa Singapore? You choose. Ano yung pinaka-gusto mo? Dali pa ng vlogging.
want to buy short.
When you shopping. Okay, shopping. Okay. What's your favorite part in Singapore?
That
Highlights.
my favorite sister Ruth treat me in lunch.
Okay, how about lunch, the lunch one. Okay, how about you? What's your favorite part in Singapore?
My favorite part is when Hali's always angry to me. Keeps annoying her.
Let's ask them, Ali. Ali, let's ask them. Oh no! Come here, come here. Why? What's your favorite part in Singapore?
My favorite part is
When we're playing Christmas like
yeah, I like that.
and it was
That's all in Singapore. Kaya naman natin gawin sa Philippines.
no, I think when I'm eating the broccoli in the canto.
Okay, the only one. How about you?
My favorite part is
I have also
Ikaw muna nga.
the transformer.
Yeah, guys. Makikita niyo naman yun sa vlog.
yeah, the best in Transformer na yan.
Okay, what's your favorite part na nangyari sa Singapore? Okay, yan, may Singapore siya dyan.
Si Minions.
What's your favorite part na nangyari sa Singapore?
Ito,
Make budol-budol my daughter.
syempre happy dahil nagkita-kita tayo. Si Jolan sa kasi Joby, tapos bigyan ako Jolan. Ano Jolan na ako ng ito. Thank you very much.
Na nangyari sa Singapore, travel.
Ano, di ba ganda?
Nagusta ka na excited?
Nakasagot ka na ba?
Nagustuhan niya yung mga CR kasi nag-kaya CR po siya.
Okay guys, so after 11 years yun na lang po na-update yung family picture namin.
The best part for me is every time we eat.
Eat.
Because,
You know, let's say food, same curry.
Curry set. Lormy.
Lots of curry.
Yeah, the famous laksa.
And without sauce.
Okay, separate.
The sauce.
the best.
Okay, si Ali sumagot yan. Ali again. Sumagot na siya, the minion daw.
The minion? Yes, and she for Emma.
Di ko
Ay, baka yun saan?
Ali, what's your favorite? What's your favorite again part?
Minion.
Yeah, and Transformer.
No.
Hali, can you rate the Shrek show? Did you like it?
With glasses?
No.
Ano?
With glasses is real.
Hali, you like that we are fighting always? That you're angry to me always? You like?
Aari ko na yung sikotay.
I will miss that.
Hali, okay. Who is your favorite tata? Tata? Say it.
Ba't di mo binalag no first?
Say it. What's your favorite tata? Say the name. Say the name. Who's your favorite tata?
Who's your favorite enemy? Who's your tata enemy? Tata enemy.
Tata enemy.
Enemy.
Frenemy.
Who Ali? Frenemy, you forgot?
Okay, bye.
Bye guys!
See you in
See you in Taiwan!
Taiwan. Japan.